Welcome to 100 Days of Trailhead, where the tech community comes to learn Salesforce, learn tech, get inspired, and invest in ourselves. We are your trail guides, here to support you on your learning journey. We release videos weekly. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. In the description below, you can find links for everything we mention in this video, as well as books and resources we found useful. Visit our blog, 100daysoftrailhead.com, for other helpful Salesforce and tech content. Hi, I'm Rachel Watson.
And I'm Jessica Murphy.
And we're here from 100 Days of Trailhead. And today we're going to be unboxing a few things. We got a package that we have been waiting for Black History Month. If you haven't noticed, the WITDEVS, the Women in Tech Developer Groups, character has changed for Black History Month, and there's a bunch of products. So we got our samples and we're excited to open that.
Yes.
And then we also got some stuff from Salesforce from the MVP program. So Can't wait to see what's inside there. So the first one is this.
Let's see what we got. Da, 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 da. Oh, it's a hoodie with the WITDEVS logo for Black History Month. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. So gorgeous.
Yes, this is super cute.
So cute. Okay.
All right. So then we have another one. Okay. Let's open this one. And this, we got in a pink t-shirt. And there we go. We've got a gorgeous WITDEV for Black History Month.
Yes. So if you're interested in having one of these amazing products, you can find it in the description below. You will find our store and you can order one of these amazing WITDEVS outfits with our logo for Black History Month. Check it out. So
there's much more products in the store. There's leggings, there's all different kinds of things. There's something for everybody in the family, even including the pets. So, Jessica, why don't you open your MVP package?
Okay, so every year, the community team does something special for us MVPs. And so we got a package each for being MVPs. And they are MVPJs. Wait, hold on. I need to find the top.
All right. So let's see. Let me see if I can actually get in these things. Here we go.
Okay. So we're going to try them on. Well, you're going to try them right here, right now. Luckily, I'm warm and my name is Jessica.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, community team. We love it. I'm going to be so warm this winter. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Thank you for the support of the channel. All the links to all of our stores. And we have a list of resources on 100daysoftrailhead.com to support you in your learning journey. So please make sure that you utilize that. Let us know what videos you really want to see, because we are listening. We want to provide content that's helpful to you, that helps you along your journey. So thank you for being with us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for spending time with us. Please like and subscribe to our channel, because we share weekly content to support your tech and Salesforce learning journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. We also handpick these videos, which we recommend you watch next. Connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and on 100daysoftrailhead.com, all of which are listed below. Thank you for learning with us, and we'll see you back tomorrow.